Welcome to our channel. Fifth Third Bank makes it convenient for employees to activate their company cards online. This process ensures secure access to your employment benefits and allows immediate use. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Fifth Third Bank website at 53.com. Ensure you're on the secure official site. Step 2. Look for the Sign In button located in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on it to access the login portal. Step 3. If you're a new user, select Enroll Now or Register to create your online banking profile. You'll need your employee card number and personal information provided by your employer. Step 4. Create your username and password according to the bank's security requirements. You'll also need to set up security questions and answers. Step 5. After logging in, navigate to the Accounts section, where you'll see a list of your Fifth Third accounts, including your employee card. Step 6. Click on your employee card account. Look for an option that says Activate Card or Card Services in the account details. Step 7. Enter the required activation information, which typically includes your full card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code from the back. Step 8. Review and confirm your activation details. You should receive instant confirmation that your Fifth Third Bank employee card is now active and ready for use at ATMs, stores, and online merchants. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.